गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन, मैं हूं कोची में और अभी मेरा टाइम है योगा टाइम। और सामने आप देख सकते हो कि मेट्रो कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑलमोस्ट बहुत अपनी पीक पर है। बहुत ही जल्दी यहाँ पे मेट्रो का जो कंस्ट्रक्शन है वो कंप्लीट होने वाला है और अब आप कुछ ही टाइम में यहाँ पे मेट्रो देखेंगे भी। बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली मैं यहाँ पर नहीं होंगी ये देखने के लिए, बट इट्स ओके। तो अभी मैं करती हूँ अपनी योगा इस ब्यूटीफुल व्यू के साथ। मैं आपसे मिलती हूँ थोड़ी ही देर में। योगा करने के बाद मुझे लगने लगी है भूख और अब मैं आ चुकी हूँ अपनी यूजुअल प्लेस पे जहाँ पे मैं ब्रेकफास्ट करती हूँ, टिफ़िन कंपनी। और आप यहाँ पे देख सकते हो इन्होंने बड़ी सुंदर सी शार्क बना रखी है। Grace is saying that she came after so long time over here because of me only these guys were coming to only veg places and it is a pressure on them to come here with me every time. Her samosa came. This is hot. Yeah, chutney or water, see. The samosa is swimming in the chutney with lot of water. This is vada. Kumbakonam coffee. That's what Grace prefers every time. Kumbakonam. What's the specialty?
I don't know, it just tastes good.
ब्रेकफास्ट करने के बाद मैं आ चुकी हूँ अपने फ्लैट पे और आप देख सकते हैं कि ये एक बहुत बड़ा सा स्विमिंग पूल है जिसमें पानी नहीं है। आई डू नॉट नो फॉर वॉट रीज़न देयर इज़ नो वाटर ओवर हियर। और काफ़ी ही बड़ा फ्लैट है ये जिसमें मैं ऑलमोस्ट 4 ईयर्स से रह रही हूँ, बट जल्दी ही मैं वेकेट करने जा रही हूँ यहाँ से। अब मैं आ चुकी हूँ अपने रूम में। आप देख सकते हैं मेरा जो रूम फ्लैट है ये आपने कई बार मेरे वीडियोस में देखा होगा। दिस इज़ वेरी मच नियर टू इन्फो पार्क। टुडे व्हाई आई एम टेलिंग बिकॉज नाउ आई एम नॉट एट ऑल गोइंग टू लिव ओवर हियर, सो नाउ इट्स ओके टू टेल। सो एनीवेज, लाइक in Kochi the flat rent is quite expensive, so currently like if you look for a flat like this it will be around 25 to 30,000, and also you have to pay the maintenance charge, water bills and electricity bills, and there is domestic water charge also. So everything all will sum up together around 35, and I think it might go beyond that also, depend upon the water charges of the month. Like there are so many responsibilities which you have to take care of. And this is the view from my flat. As you can see, this is very nice. But you know, for this many years I've been living over here, but hardly I have been standing on my balcony and just seeing this view, because you know, because of the busy schedules I never got a time to like spend over here, and that is the reality of this spinster life or bachelor life. Now in the evening we have come out to explore more of Kochi, and mainly आप मुझे ज़्यादातर काकनाड एरिया में ही देखेंगे बिकॉज वी डू नॉट गो सो फार। और आज मैं आ गई हूँ जूडियो अपनी फ्रेंड्स के साथ। तो हम लोग यहाँ पर आए हैं छोटी सी शॉपिंग करने, और यहाँ पे इलेक्शन का टाइम भी चल रहा है। और अभी हम इंजॉय कर रहे हैं पिस्ता कुल्फ़ी। आप देखेंगे ये जो छोटी छोटी जो इवेंट्स है ना, जूडियो जाना या फिर कुल्फ़ी खाना, ये बड़े ही प्यारे इवेंट्स होते हैं अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। They added ghee?
It's not much, but they.
Good.
But it's actually nice. It's very crispy.
हम लोग आपको ऑलमोस्ट एवरी डे टिफ़िन कंपनी पे मिलेंगे, मैं और मेरी भटकी हुई दोस्त। सो every evening, not every evening, during the weekends whenever we feel hungry we just come over here to have food, and her food is here almost. So nowadays me and Appu decided that we will eat healthy. So some ragi powder.
Then we had dosa from outside and went.
That part has to be cut. We don't have to show that part. So I bought grapes as my Ekadashi is coming. Some pineapple and lot of things. Robust, you know. We got all this for 10 rupees. Secret we won't tell you, because you will also get to know. So many pomegranate, and let's see who eats it, because Aparna has a habit of keeping such things inside the fridge and forgetting it. So let's see.
Never eats.
And then never eats. And I bought a uni papaya today. I'm doing a marketing. See guys how much healthy we are. And this is our bag which I bought from Rameshwaram, and she laughs always at me that who has this kind of bags. But I'm so proud of my bag because I do not have to pay extra 10 rupees to anyone for keeping my things. So it's better than that brown bag which they charge for 12 rupees. And this is what I bought for myself, 2 cute oranges and 1 pomegranate. Pomegranate is so costly, you know how much it charges?
It's around 300 or something.
300 rupees per kg. So
95.
this free one, just only these 3 pomegranate cost us around 102 rupees. And Aparna thought this is 15 rupees yogurt, but it was flavored. So this cost her around 30 rupees for... Our Aparna has gone mad, okay? 30 rupees for yogurt.
But it tastes really good.
Tastes really good, but you should eat it. She bought a Thai guava, which costed her around...
21 rupees only.
No, it was more. Where's the bill? It was more, I guess.
But
Thai
I
guava.
love.
I told her to buy Indian guavas. They're much better.
But that is so sad, guavas.
And
Already dead
my
guava.
cute green chilies. This is something to hide. Aparna is so tired of me. I finished 1 ghee. This is only for my 1 month. I think 1 month is also hard for this to survive with me. I finished already 2 small bottles of within like 2 weeks. So my ghee consumption limit is very high anyway. And some milk for chaya and some salt. This is too much big packet. First we thought of splitting the salt within each other, but then someone told us, like, my North Indian rules and her South Indian rules told both of us that never eat someone's salt. So we both didn't have each other salt and we didn't do the split. Anyway, so this is all about your bachelor life shopping. Now we are planning to play Uno, and she really wanted to play. We are just 2 people, and who are going to play this Uno. I don't know how the game is going to be, but she is pretty much sure that the game is going to be very good. Are you sure, ma'am?
Yeah, of course.
So, based upon her prediction, we are going to play this, and let's see who wins and who loses. There's a very high, tough competition, you know.
Yeah, open it.
I have never had it before, and Aparna told me to purchase it. Like, she only purchased it for me to try this. How to? Should we cut it with
Yeah,
knife?
yeah. Yeah, you can take it. No, you just.
This is so soft.
Yeah, you can actually like
This
do
way?
this. Yeah.
But the juicy part will come out, right?
No, open it.
Is it something like Chico?
Don't eat that.
So tasty.
Yeah.
Try this again. So tasty. It while looking, it was looking like it might taste like Chico, but yum.
Yeah. It's very sweet inside.
So sweet. Stop the video. We'll have it first. So tasty, no? It tastes like custard itself. We bought lot of fruits. ग्रॉसरी लिस्ट तो आप देख ही चुके हैं. अब टाइम हो गया है इनको अरेंज करने का. मैं जस्ट अभी चेंज करके आई हूँ और मैं आपको एक चीज़ दिखाती हूँ. रियलिटी ऑफ अवर लाइफ्स. आज संडे है, ओके, और मैंने आपको भी दिखाया मैं ये सारा सामान लेकर आई हूँ. एंड ऑन संडेज also you have to work, okay. I'll show you. Currently Aparna just came with me after the shopping for the basic groceries, and now I'll show you. Be silent, she's working. So this is the reality, okay. that your work never ends. You have to work every time. Even I have to work, so some pending works. Mine is not a meeting today, but some pending works are there. But before that, I have to clear this mess because no one is there to help you. Okay, you have to do all these things by yourself, and I have to make a vlog also. I have to do all this arrangement also. So life is like that. So currently, let's take out things. अच्छा, मुझे पर्सनली ना अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ का व्लॉगिंग करना बिल्कुल भी पसंद नहीं है, लेकिन मैं ये वाली जो पार्ट आपको दिखाती हूँ ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ इसलिए दिखाती हूँ क्योंकि बहुत सारे बच्चे जो कि अपने पेरेंट्स से दूर रहना चाहते हैं, मैं उन्हें एक बात बताना चाहती हूँ कि आप जो अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ लाइफ जी रहे हो ना, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल लाइफ. आप देख सकते हो, इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट अर्निंग, इट्स about how you manage it, and this management is really really difficult. आप देख सकते हो मुझे 4 years हो गए हैं, उसके बाद भी I still feel like I should have lived with my parents. So that is the thing. जो होता है ये प्री वर्क बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. जैसे कि अगर मैं ग्रेप्स लेकर आई हूँ तो मुझे आज इनको टर्मरिक और सॉल्ट के वाटर में रखना होगा, और पाइनएप्पल को कट करके रखना होगा so that while working I can access it easily. I'm not wasting any time. तो इन सब चीज़ों को अरेंज करने में बहुत टाइम लग जाता है. एंड आफ्टर दैट आई हैव टू वर्क एंड आई हैव टू ऑल्सो सी वेदर थिंग्स आर प्रॉपर और नॉट. सो यू कैन सी द किचन ऑल्सो. सो वी हैव टू क्लीन इट. सो राइट नाउ अपर्णा इज इन मीटिंग. अदर गर्ल्स आर, they went to their home and they will be coming most probably by Monday morning to catch their work, or might be they will be at work from home. So that's how we do live. आई होप मेरी इस वीडियो से आपको आटे दाल के भाव पता चल गए होंगे. ओके, सो इन हिंदी वी से लाइक आटे दाल का भाव पता चलना, दैट मीन्स फेसिंग द रियलिटीज़ ऑफ लाइफ. तो अगर आपके भी ऐसे कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस हैं तो आप मुझे कमेंट करके बताइएगा दैट हाउ आर यू लिविंग योर स्पिंस्टर और बैचलर लाइफ and how is it going, so that the people who are having a dream of living like this, they should know the realities before stepping into such life. This life is really beautiful, but it's not that easy how it looks like, and it's not that funny how it looks like. You might see me like going to the places, eating, enjoying, but the reality is we are somehow managing our life, okay, because at times we don't feel like cooking, so just we go and have a dosha and that is our dinner for the night. So that's how the things goes up. Anyway, this was the entire video. If you like it, just let me know in the comment section, and if you have any questions regarding such things, you can comment and let me know. Thank you. Bye.